Bawal lang kami, Coron, Palawan, Padungka. Walang.
Ano malupot ang cellphone mo ah?
Ha?
Ano malupot ah?
Wala lulubat yan. Pag alis ko, nag-100% kagad ako eh. Alam mo sa barko, negosyo yan. Pag charge mo, 40, naging 13 ka. 5 piso ba naman? Tama na.
Before disembarking from the vessel. If you require any assistance, please do not hesitate to approach any of our vessel crew assigned in respective accommodation, who are more than happy to assist you. We wish you a safe onward